Nitrous! Whoa, danger in the manifold! No! I'm gonna show you today how you do the throttle cable to be like this and what you need to buy. The OEM cable was right in here. I cut it right on this length and removed the little cover that was on the top. And then I got my new cable, which I believe is a 72 inches, but look into the description. It goes all the way from there on the wall all the way back, and it ended up in here. And what I'm doing is I got a X-Acto knife, I cut in here and I peel it off so it gets thinner, right, the outside. So the idea now is to get this without bending the cable in the metal, and this is going to end up inside the car, and I'm going to do that and push this one in, and if it works I am golden. Look at that. There you go. Now, oh yes, oof, I almost measured perfectly. Now this goes in here and I'm gonna go inside the car. There it is, the cable. Now we just need to put the end in there. The Supra has this big one inside. I cut this from the Supra when I cut the cable, right? So I'm gonna cut the cable out of here. I'm gonna drill the hole in the middle, and I'm gonna use this in here on top. So very gently put this one, then we tighten with the screwdriver right there, just like this, and every time I pull, this pulls. Okay, everything is very tight, but you can see I put there. Now let me put the end, and here we go. Throttle is this one here, and just a little bit. I don't have any slack, and when I press all the way to the end, it goes to 100. I let it go, goes to the bottom, and that's great. That's all I wanted. Let's go, Ryan. Let's go. Nitrous. Whoa, danger in the manifold. No. Whoa, I got it. I saved it. And